Namaskar students, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session, today we are going to discuss the topic Direction Search Methods in Optimization. Please note the topic Direction Search Method in Optimization. Direction search. If you are giving a stress on this topic, then randomly a things that is coming in your mind is that to optimize the solution of your problem, you are in search of the direction, that in which direction you should proceed. What methodology, what process, what steps to be taken by you to get the optimization of your problem. So this direction search method is very useful for you, and it relates between the some other concept of optimization. So I'm sharing the screen. This is feasible direction method or direction search method. This is feasible direction method. Let us consider the problem to find f star is equal to infimum of fx. Take it as equation 1. Subject to a small x belongs to capital X as equation 1b, or equation 2 you can take as you wish, where capital X is improper subset of R to the power n, non-empty, closed and convex. And F is mapping from R to the power n tends to R is mapping to R is C to the power n on X. A natural idea is to mimic the line search method for unconstrained problem. You should remember this concept. A natural idea is to mimic the line search. To prove that is not meaningful. However, most method for one manipulate the constraint during capital X. In some cases, even such that the sequence xk is infeasible until convergence. Now you can think why. Let us consider a constraint like this, that is in the bounded limit form, where gi is a non-collinear, checking whether p is a feasible direction at x, or what the maximum feasible step for x in the direction of p is very difficult, for which step length alpha is greater than 0 is gi x plus alpha p is equal to bi. This is a non-linear equation in factorial alpha. Assuming that x is a polyhedral, these problems are not present. And students, please follow these steps if you want to make it clear that the feasible direction method, feasible means what is the possibility of the materialization of the, what is the possibility to materialize the uh, process, to materialize the result, to materialize the assumption. There are some steps to be followed. This is step 0, step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. You have to remember one by one. In step 0, determine a starting point x naught belongs to r to the power n such that x naught belongs to capital X and set k is equal to 0. In step 1, determine a such direction pk belongs to r to the power n. Here is x naught, here is pk. Such that pk is a feasible descent direction. Step 2, determine a step length alpha k greater than 0 such that function of xk plus alpha k pk less than function of xk and xk plus alpha k pk belongs to capital X. Step 3, let xk plus 1 is equal to this. Step 4, if a termination criteria is fulfilled, then stop, otherwise let this consideration. Similar form as the general method for unconstrained optimization, just as a local as method for unconstrained optimization. Such direction typically based on the approximation of FA relaxation. Such direction often of the form Pk is equal to Yk minus Xk, where Yk belongs to capital X, solves an approximate problem. Line searches similar, note the maximum step, termination criteria and descent based on first order optimality and or fixed point theory. So students, here is Frank-Wolf method that also explain about your feasible direction method. You should see this, what is Frank-Wolf method, and here are also some steps that has been as similar as we have taken in the feasible direction method, step 0, step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. But the function taken there are different than the function we have taken here. So we can differentiate between these two, you can say concept, but the both are tending to the feasible direction method. Students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. In case of any query, please write your comment. I shall try to resolve your query. Thank you for listening and enjoying this lecture.